Too late. Let's see how many views DeAndre gets on YouTube.
Jack shit on Ricky. Hunter, I thought you said there was no use AC.
Yeah, I just want to take this time to say, you know, thanks to everybody who sent me the well wishes. You know, I got fucked up. I ruptured my spleen. Doctor said I lost 1/3 of my blood inside of my body. You know, I signed papers for my death. I was in ICU for a couple days. Shit was fucked up, but you know, I made it through. God is good. So, to all my fans and friends and family who wish me well, God bless you. Start, I come right back at it. Hopped in the studio with super hot beats. Hit him up, I say, hey man, drop a beat, let's hop in the booth. Let's do something real quick, you know, just for the fuck of it, cause I need it. Yeah, I'm kinda like fucking shit up. Still walk with a limp like I'm telling my dick to get up. Shaking up babies and making the babies spit up. You babies are maybe gonna get it. Shut up. Might as well leave myself alone. I can't fight it, my fist in the ball like I wanna punch a microphone. What did I get on? 3 pills and I'm at it. 5 pills down, I'm high as a motherfucker, an addict. In an attic, I'm adding habits to an already tragic situation. Now I'm pacing back and forth in a panic. But I see everything in my future is panoramic. See, I got a plan and my plan has kept me at advantage. Probably land me in the Hamptons up in a hammock. Loving some Fifi Dows and my baby's up in the hammock. Rock and roll, hopping your 85 and I can load. I am no crock, I'm no pop artist with pots of gold. I am just a lion with primal soul. I am your highness with a finer designer clothes. I am the thorn on the stem, I am not the rose. If pimpin' was whippin', I would rip the entire globe. I'm so pimpin', I'm sippin' dew from a diamond bowl. 9 to 5 I go, yeah, 9 to 5 I go. Money in, money out, Wiz Khalifa. But I'm forever like the witty Tifas. A New York apple bomb, you should put me on Bonita. A Texas chainsaw, brains all on the cleaver. Killer, killer, oh my god, yeah, I'm a Godzilla. Art thriller, art future, art past 2, artillery. Me, he the millimeter, zing, zing. CD, he the 22, empty cruise. He's clean, cleaner than some new shoes. Meaner than a prude, new head tattoo, big news. Yellow Wolf is on the track, choo-choo. I enter the instrumental like an enema, shit moves. You faggots ain't getting women, pussy lip glue, spitting shit dudes. I'm okay, why? Cause I'm cool. Cool enough to refrigerate a frigid glue with my different groom. Just by sitting next to him. Drop an ice cube in the mic like a nice brew tea, ice brewed. And take a hike, nice shoes, damn right. Or take a bike for a nice cruise, cause I'm back. You know, I just wanna say thanks. It's my way of saying thank you, you know, for all the support. Hold up. Wait, I'm a great lake shark, I'ma make art to the make hearts break. I'ma take charge and play hard to get. I'ma spit darts and shake stars to the wake up and embrace me as a made artist. I paved dirt roads with a rake and I made it hard for fakes and snake charmers who waste this great harvest. I fucking farmed it, gave tapes to A&Rs, blazed this trail and I set sail with the main target. Hit the main target, changed the game and I made waves and made artists. Switch and bite and twitch and shake and rob and take like a play garden. They hoping I see him, I give him a pass and I made pardon. You rob me and get sold for a great bargain. The least you could do for the truth is pay homage. I see the cracks, the leaks, it's way common. I'm sick, shit, wait, I made vomit. Cause I'm a great Carmen, I'm common, pray mama. Jesus Christ, I believe this life's drama. To be the bloodline of the word I seek gonna. So leave me not when you speak of the king, son of a bitch. I'm rich and blues, color me what you wanna. White is my skin tone, black is my persona. Red is the tip of the flame, guess what's burning under. Yellow, and 333 is my fucking number.